Hello guys, welcome back to my class. Today I will discuss some chemical reactions like organic conversions and distinguished by chemicals of different types of nitrogen containing compound. Now distinguish by chemical test of methyl cyanide and methyl isocyanide. So we can distinguish these two compounds by reaction with silver oxide, mercuric oxide. If it reacts with methyl isocyanide, then there will be no precipitate of silver. But here, if you react uh, with mercuric oxide with methyl isocyanide, then there will be a precipitate of mercury. Now, second one, between methylamine and aniline. This methylamine will not produce a azosalt on reaction with NaNO2 and HCl, but here you will have a azosalt, benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, so this is the reaction. This is called diazole reaction. So by diazole reaction we can distinguish between methylamine and aniline, because here there will be no diazonium salt type compound, and here will be a diazonium salt type compound. Now next one is nitrobenzene and aniline. How can we distinguish these two compounds by chemical test? If we react with NaNO2 plus HCl, then it will not react. That means there will be no reaction. But if you react with these, then there will be a reaction and you will have a diazonium salt. Okay, again, it will give Mulliken-Barker test. It will not give Mulliken-Barker test. So you can use diazolation to distinguish among them, or you can also Mulliken-Barker test. Again, you can also use coupling reaction. Coupling reaction it will give, and it will not give coupling reaction. So this is about some distinguished by chemical test of different kinds of nitrogen containing compound. Now it will go for some organic conversions. Now I will discuss some organic conversions that are very much important for your exam. First one, methylamine to ethylamine. Look at the structure. In this ethylamine there is an extra CH2 group, so we need to introduce one CH2 group in this methylamine. So if we use HNO2 reagent, it will convert in alcohol. Now if we use PCl5, then it will convert CH3Cl. Now after using KCN, then it will convert CH3CN. Now if we use lithium aluminum hydride, it will convert into CH3CH2 and H2. Second one, ethylamine to methylamine. There is 2 carbon and there is 1 carbon. So now look how I am reducing 1 carbon from this structure. If we use HNO2, then it will convert this NH2 group will convert into OH. HNO2, the use of HNO2, it always converts NH2 group into OH group. Now if you oxidize it by K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4, it will convert into CH3COOH, because alcohol will convert into acetic acid, because it is a strong oxidizing agent. So it will first convert into acetaldehyde, again it will convert into acetic acid. Now if we use ammonia and if we give heat, then it will convert into CH3CO and H2. Here there will be NH2 group in the place of OH. Now if we use Br2KOH, this is Hofmann bromolytic reactions. Here what happens? This CO2 group will vanish and we will have this methylamine. So this is another conversion. Now next one, benzene to benzene diazonium chloride. So the structure of benzene is this one and diazonium chloride is this one. Now look how I will introduce this group into this structure. If we react with HNO3 plus H2SO4, that is nitration reaction. Here NO2 group will introduce. Then if we reduce it by using tin HCl, it will convert into aniline. Again, on reaction with NO2 plus HCl, it will convert into this benzene diazonium chloride. Now next one, nitrobenzene to paracetamol. Okay, so here I will use 50% aqueous alcohol plus zinc plus NH4Cl and then heat. Then it will convert into NHOH, phenyl hydroxyamine. Now if we use HCl, then it will convert into NH2 and OH group. There will be dilute HCl. Okay, and this OH group will come into the para position and this NH2 group will convert into NH2. Now if we use CH3 acetic anhydride in presence of a acid, then it will convert into NHCO. Next one is this one. We have to identify what will be the structure of A, B and C. So look at here. If we use ammonia with carboxylic acids, then lone pair will attack here, this OH will goes out, so it will have CO NH2, that is A. Now next one B, P2O5. It is a dehydrating agent, so it will eliminate water, and then it will convert into CN. This is B. Okay. Then lithium aluminum hydride. It is a strong reducing agent, so it will reduce this one into CH2 NH2. This CN triple bond, this C triple bond will break, and there will be hydrogen with carbon and nitrogen. Next one is reaction. You have to find what will be the structure of this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now K-mono4, it is an oxidizing agent. So whatever alkyl group is there on the benzene ring, this alkyl group will convert into COH. Okay. Now if we use this COCl2, what will happen? One of the Cl minus will attack here, then this will goes out. So you will have COCl. Now if we use ammonia, then there will be, then this lone pair will attack here and Cl goes out, then it will convert into CONH2. Next, Br2KOH, this is a Hoffman-Brunner reaction, so CO will vanish, so we will have here NH2. Now on reaction with sodium nitrate and HCl, it is a diazo reaction, so this group will convert into N2 plus Cl minus, benzene diazonium chloride. On reaction with this, it will convert into CN. On hydrolysis, this CN group will convert into COH. Again, on reaction with soda lime, there will be elimination of carbon dioxide, so we will have benzene. So the structure of A is benzoic acid, then benzoyl chloride, then benzamide, then aniline, then benzene diazonium chloride, cyanobenzene, again benzoic acid, lastly benzene. Next one, cyclopentyl alcohol. On reaction with PCC, there is A and B, C, D, E. Let's see what product we got. So this is PCC. It is an oxidizing agent. This OH group oxidizes into ketone group, that is A. This is cyclopentanone. Then on reaction with ammonia, there will be elimination of water, so it will convert into double bond NH. This is B. Again on reaction with hydrogen platinum, On reaction reduction, it will convert into NH2. There will be addition of hydrogen with this carbon and with this nitrogen. Now, if we use HNO2, it will convert into OH, and on reaction with concentrated H2SO4, there will be elimination of water. So this is E and this is E. Cyclopentene. This is cyclopentanol. This is cycloamine. This is D. This is C. This is B, and this is A. So this is the next reaction. C6H5NH2, that is aniline. So the reagent NaNO2 HCl, that is diazo reaction. So in this in diazo reaction, what happens? NH2 group converts into N2 plus Cl minus, benzene diazoxide chloride, and water. If you heat it with water, then this N2 plus Cl minus will convert into OH, that is phenol. Now, if we react with acetic anhydride and phenol, then the product will be OCOCH3. How it happens? OH plus CH3COOCH3. So this is acidic hydrogen, so this lone pair will attack at here, and it will goes and it will take this hydrogen. So O will bonded with this carbon, and there will be COCH3, and this will convert into CH3COOH. Now on reaction with ammonium chloride, what will happen? This group will come in the ortho position. Then our product will be OH and COCH3. Okay, this is D. In this reaction, this is nitrobenzene, and on reaction with HNO2 and H2, that is nitration reaction. So nitration. So in this reaction, what will happen? Another NO2 group will attach at the meta position. So that is meta dinitrobenzene, that is A. Now if we use this reagent, then one of them will convert into NH2 group. So the structure of D will be NH2 NO2. Again, on reaction with NO2 and H2, that is diazo type reaction. So this group will convert into diazonium salt. So the structure of C will be N2 plus. If we use HCl, then there will be Cl minus. Now we have used H2SO4, so there will be HSO4 minus. This is the structure, N2 plus HSO4 minus. Now H2SO4 dilute H2SO4. That means what will happen here? Water molecules will attack here and it will goes out. So there will be OH in the benzene. So from nitrobenzene we have converted into phenol. So this is about the organic conversions. So students, that's all for today. And if you people face any problem with this chapter, please mention in the comment box. And thank you for watching. And I will come again with another chapter. And stay home and stay safe. And please subscribe the channel.